Oral-B Clic Toothbrush Ultimate Clean Replacement Brush Heads, Black, 2 count. Oral-B Clic is a revolutionary manual toothbrush that combines modern design with excellent cleaning performance for a healthy mouth. Compatible with Oral-B Clic Manual Toothbrushes. Next-gen criss-cross bristles feature X-Filament technology, providing an exceptional cleaning experience. Each X-shaped bristle has 4 active edges to reach into the nooks crannies of teeth. Reuse 80% of your brush. Refresh your brush head. Oral-B's best manual clean ever. Oral-B Clic Manual Toothbrush delivers next-gen cleaning performance from Oral-B. It offers exceptional plaque removal performance, removing plaque on teeth and along the gum line. All brush heads are designed with dentists to create remarkable cleaning performance and a truly comfortable brushing experience. Reuse 80% of your brush. Refresh your brush head. Oral-B Clic. Expect more from a brush. Top reviews from the United States. Best toothbrush ever. I found this while I was on vacation and love it. I needed to replace the heads and found them on Amazon. It is simply the best fit in my hands and works perfectly. Not that all toothbrushes don't work, it is all about how it feels in your hands.